Hi guys, in the kitchen again, under the halogen lights. This is one of my solar rockers that I converted to run off. This is one of those garden solar lights that charges up during the day from the solar panel, and then there's an LED under there that lights up when the sun goes down. And all we've got is we've replaced the solar panel in there with a pair of wires that go up to intercept the wires that go to the LED. So when the LED comes on, the solar rocker starts rocking. Now, I recently did a video checking on some other solar rockers that rock on at night, and I noticed this one was in the corner of the shop and he didn't appear to be rocking. So what I've done is I've stuck him under here for an hour or so, just to see if it's a matter of we still don't have enough sunshine at the moment, because it's November and today was one of the first days we've had any sunshine this month. So what I'm going to do is turn the light off and see if he starts rocking. Of course the light will go off so you won't be able to see anything. Let's see what we can see. He is rocking. If I put the there we are. He's not rocking much. In fact, he stopped, hasn't he? Brilliant. I think that's all it was, though. I think the battery's not charging up enough, or that battery's on its last legs and it's not lasting for very long. Because I would have thought he would have lasted a little bit longer than that. Oh, is it because I've got the light on? Ah, that's what that was. Because I put the light on, the light was switching the power off. Now, he's still not running very happily, is he? Yeah, I don't think there's much power. But as soon as there's light on that solar panel, it switches it off anyway. You might be able to just see the LED is a light. Hang on. Turn the light off. Yeah, you can see the LED's on. And you might be able to make out that he is moving. So he is okay, he just needs more sunlight than he's been getting. Can I brighten that at all without turning the light on? No. Oh, I thought I could. Oh, well, never mind. I put the light back on again. Sorry about that. If I come down here, is that going to be enough? No, I'm still going to have to put my hand over that. Yeah. I'm stopping the light getting to the solar panel, and there's enough there to get him rocking. A bit. Anyway, check the video description. I'll find the video that I did the original modification. Just for reference, the video I'm talking about is the one where I was checking on these two fellas, because they charge up supercapacitors during the day and they're running off supercapacitors. He's still rocking a little bit. And that butterfly next to him runs off that one, another solar light. It's getting going now, isn't he? Anyway, that'll do. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.